Welcome to the course Advanced OOP in Python. In this course, you learn how to take your beginner level knowledge of object-oriented programming in Python to the next level. After this course, you can improve existing and future code by making effective use of Python's built-in language features in your classes, decide better what OO features to use by understanding the role of OO in dynamic languages like Python, make debugging your code more efficient by using static type checking, and make better use of Python's dynamic character and structural subtyping. This is an advanced course, but what do these levels mean? To assess your programming skills, let me show you how I classify levels. Beginners have to follow a recipe to write working code. They need examples and can only create small variations and experiments. They know the basic tools of the language, but have a limited overview of their full potential. Intermediates know the basic syntax and learn how to combine things. They know common solutions to specific problems. Basic knowledge is solidified and used for multiple purposes. Advanced programmers know the mechanics behind the technology they work with. They can list different solutions to problems and can predict how they impact the system. And then there are experts. For this you need time and experience. This course takes students to the start of the advanced level. It focuses on effectively using OO in Python and the technical implementation of classes and objects. The course assumes that you already have some experience with object-oriented design and know what problems can be solved with inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. If you do not have this knowledge, I recommend you to start with my Object-Oriented Programming with Python course, where you learn basic knowledge about OO design. But if you do already have some beginner experience with OO, this course will teach you how to take things to the next level. This includes understanding how Python does things differently when you are used to programming in other languages. And that brings me to, who are you? Students who benefit the most from this course are Python developers who learned the basics of OOP and want a deeper dive into the mechanics of OOP in Python. Developers who bring experience from another OO programming language and want to learn how to use OOP in Python. Self-taught OOP developers who want to improve their skills by learning best practices. The chapters in this course are Classes and Objects, Inheritance, OOP in a Dynamic Language, Polymorphism, Encapsulation, and Classes in Python. For this course you need the following things: beginner understanding of OOP, roughly 1 year of experience in Python or another programming language, a tool to draw UML class diagrams. Examples of these are PowerPoint, Visio, or one of the many online UML diagram tools. But if you do not have experience with UML diagrams yet, there is another tool that I can recommend: pen and paper. This course is a working course. That means that it contains many exercises. I believe that you should practice what you have learned, and most chapters in this course contain one or more exercises for you. Of course, you are free to make the exercises or skip them. You decide how you learn best. When deciding what topics to cover in this course, I chose to leave some out. Topics that are not part of this course include multiple inheritance, mixins, singletons, and a few others. The reason why I left some things out is to prevent overwhelming you with too much information. It is my goal that after this course you can apply everything you learned immediately in your projects. By the way, who am I? My name is Luc van den Ouweland and I am a software engineer and trainer. I teach beginners how to create their first programs and I help professionals to understand Python better. I have worked for many companies including Philips and Microsoft. During my many years of experience, I have always combined software engineering with training on the job. And now you are going to benefit from this as well. So let's start with the first chapter of the course. But before we do, I wish you good luck. Enjoy the course.